Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. My name is Omar Hamwi, the Dash Core Group Business Development Team. And today we're excited to be speaking with Laudi at MyConstant, a leading P2P lending and investment platform, and of course, a partner of Dash. Without further ado, let's get this show on the road. Laudi, great to see you again, and thank you for joining us. Why don't we begin with you telling us a little bit about yourself and MyConstant?
Hello, Omar. Thank you so much for having me here today. My name is Laudis. I'm the business development manager at MyConstant. So you're probably wondering why I'm here today. So before we begin, here's a short introductions. MyConstant is a crypto-backed lending and investment company headquarters in the US. So I work with cryptocurrency projects around the world to help them create value, utility for their community, including Dash. Today's I'm delighted to speak to you about how MyConstant can help everyone in Dash ecosystem achieve their financial goal, whatever they might be.
Excellent, thank you. So I guess just to get started, how did you hear about Dash, and how did MyConstant hear about Dash?
Yeah, so like everyone's watching, I'm a Dash holders at myself. I love how practical it to use with the Dash Direct app. I can spend like the Dash like I would traditional currencies at over 150,000 major store in the US. So whether I'm buying a coffees on my way to work, or buying groceries, all I need to do is take out my phone, open the app, so I can pay with Dash. That's incredibly convenient and easy to use. Better yet, I get up to like 12% cashback discount from participating the merchant, which saved me a lot of money. And did I mention like that transaction settle nearly by like immediately? Think of
Mhm.
this guy utility. I love seeing a cryptocurrency project, and that's also one of my love cryptocurrency. And we listed Dash on my constant in the very first day. So right now you can use your Dash to get cash or crypto loan from a little as little 6% APR without selling any of your coins. That's mean not only can I use Dash to pay for goods and services, I get access to low rate credit too, which I can use then for emergencies or to finance buying new cryptos or buying more Dash. Ensures that on behalf of my constant, we really love Dash and have been wanting to do something more with you guys for a long time.
No, that's fantastic. I'm really glad we're here, we're speaking, and we're now partnered. You know, it's been a long time coming. So no, I'm very excited that you're here. So tell me a little bit more about MyConstant. I think that's what everyone is here to hear about. And what how and why did you launch? Like, what was the impetus, or what was the need that you were looking to solve?
Yes, we launched in early 2019. Initially, we are tended to build a stable coin, and we will see the inefficiencies of global financial system, the high fee for international transfer, the slow transactions, and thought of stablecoin was the answer for us. Soon after, we realized my consents could do so much better than more than just offers a digital alternative to USD. So we wanted to help people earn the bank bidding returns on their money and have access to affordable loan regardless of their credit history. So we launched a crypto-backed peer lending platform. This gave investors the opportunity. They can earn up to 20 times more than a city with their investment backed by liquid access. At the same time, crypto hodler could borrow against their cryptocurrency to get their cash or more Dash that they need rather than selling out their current Dash. To date, we have made match over $80 million in launch and paid over $1 million in interest. Better yet, not a single of our investor has lost any cents for our service since launch.
Wow, that is incredible. I think that's a very rare and probably almost unique claim. Oh, well done. It's really exciting to hear. So, okay, now outside of, I guess, that, which is of course, the best lead you could have. Well done to you, by the way, and your whole team. What do you think Dash holders would love most about MyConstant?
Okay. I'm sure many in your communities are traders, and it's not always possible to get the funds to finance a new trade. But with MyConstant, all you need is your Dash cryptocurrency. So you can borrow up to 150% of the value of your Dash, and your cash is paid in seconds. No ready check, no paperwork. Once you repay, your Dash go back into your wallet. Or you can also choose to receive your loan in another cryptocurrency. In that case, we search the market for you with the best price and deliver more Dash or new crypto in like 30 minutes or less. And with that,
Wow, nice.
Furthermore, there are no trading or exchange fee during that time, and you have to pay nothing for regarding the trading or exchange fee. It's like the world cheapest merchant accounts on MyConstant. And we also offer more features like the future product, where you can predict Dash, the price of Dash, and different cryptocurrency to earn up to 150% of profit, but it's only applied for non-US customers at the moment.
Mm-hmm. No, very cool. And is this futures integration with Dash live?
Yes, already. So it's gonna live after this video.
Nice. All right. Well, you heard it here first, everyone. Dash futures is going to be listed on MyConstant first. It's fantastic news. It's a great way to cap the week as well. Thank you. All right. So that covers on the trading side. Now, as you know, we're very involved in payments. Dash is, a payments first cryptocurrency. And I guess as in the business development team at Dash Core Group, we're working very hard as well to increase our integrations and our payments use cases and so on, solving problems in the payment space. So how do Dash and MyConstant solve issues within fragile economies, would you say?
It depends what you mean by fragile. But for example, economies experiencing hyperinflations, for example, Venezuela have needed digital currency to survive in their daily life. In hyperinflated economies, it's also possible to pay for essential goods and services at their price can skyrocket in the matters of hours, making wages bad today, work far less tomorrow. Yeah, but if you were to hold Dash instead of your local currency, you could preserve the value of your wealth, only converting what you need to spend, perhaps with Dash Direct in the US, or in this case, one of many major stores in Venezuela. Likewise, Dash is a source of credit in emergency too. With MyConstant, you can borrow again your Dash to pay for essential and prepay up to 180 days later. Okay. Wow. But additional to a store value, Dash Instant and unparalleled security make this more perfect for remittance for those who search for job abroad and want to send money home. Yeah, and even to receive your change in hyperinflation market struggle with providing change due to the amount of cash required. So Dash save us for the wasting time in line, with the visible and instant natures. And one of the things I really believe and highly recommend, like we are not gonna forget about, is security. Hyperinflationary markets tend to have more crime due to the inability to acquire goods, services, and overall earn a stable values of revenue. Well, the combinations of instant send, new instant transaction, including the settlements and the chain locks, protection from 51% attacks, make Dash one of the most secure blockchain around.
Oh, fantastic. That's very true. I think in terms of Venezuela, for example, in the hyperinflation markets that we've been working in, such as over there, we have seen at the very beginning, there were issues with security and carrying cash around. There were, long lines to check out, to your point, and so on. Then Dash has, in our test cases, as well as, on our main projects that we've been working on, the ones that we scale up, in all cases, we see, like, for example, waiting times reduced by 95%, which is massive. And then we've seen as well the security situation increase when you hold it in your wallet. I mean, yes, it's at risk as long as you keep an eye on your phone, basically. But as far as transactions and getting hacked through a 51% attack, Dash network is one of the most secure.
Yeah,
that's awesome. All right, cool. So how do you think that, so I'm actually genuinely curious from MyConstant's perspective, how do they view people using their Dash?
Yeah, so I imagine it's like that Dash holder for a long-term vested interest in the success of Dash ecosystem. So they are probably some mixed traders and long-term investor, as well as those who see Dash as a serious alternative to traditional currencies. As a result, I think many in the Dash communities are like me, who trade and build their Dash portfolio, but also use it to pay for goods and services without selling, touching the fiat.
Nice. And would you say that's a big part of how Dash holders benefit from MyConstant? So how else can they benefit from that?
Yeah, certainty is in many ways. First of all, you can borrow against Dash for as little as 6% APRs only. In fact, remember this week we have an offer for Dash holders only. That will be the special 0% interest rate for 30 days loan between the 6th and the 13th August. So
very cool. Wow.
Yeah, I will share the strategy behind this later, and you can earn the profits a lot, I promise. So you choose to withdraw in USD and more Dash or another cryptocurrency at the pet price, and we will pay it in minutes. You also choose the 3 flexible terms. We have 30 days, 90 days, and 180 days. And when it's time to repay, you choose in what currency to do with it, either USD or your Dash as collateral. Then we offer 24/7 customer support through email, live chat, social media. So we are here for you whenever you want and whenever you need us for further question or how to consult about your crypto strategies. So if it's your first time borrowing Dash, you will find our library of lending resource really helpful. A lot of our blogs or video on how to get the most of your cryptos. And finally, you might also consider investing your borrow USD, converting to Dash to another interest yielding cryptocurrency, or trying to short selling and future products. So
nice. So you cover a broad range of different strategies and services, it sounds like.
Yeah,
and you're very accessible. That's amazing.
Yeah, so in other words, there's a lot of way you can unlock the value from Dash, and lots of way you can make your money access roll on my constant platform. So we have recently launched a landing lottery too, which allow you
Hmm.
to invest USD for 1% return and a chance to win up 10 millions. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a
You
big
cost nothing
that's a big
from the
percentage return.
yeah. You cost nothing from the landing lottery.
Nice. And
Yeah.
is there any minimums to enter that lottery?
Yeah. So
Uh,
there's no minimum, and we have like whenever you make a deposit, you get one lucky number, and at the end of the week, we will release the lucky number, and you have the chance
okay.
to win 10 millions.
Oh, very cool. Okay, so this is a action-based promotion, I'd say. Everyone listening, if you have some additional crypto and you want to lend it out and earn a 1% and a chance to win 10 million, this is it. Excellent, exciting.
Exactly.
So are there other ways you can unlock? I mean, it sounds like every time I ask a variation of this question, you have much more ways that Dash users can benefit. So I'm just gonna try it one more time. Are there any other ways you can Dash holders can unlock the value of their Dash
Yeah,
or
so
other cryptos?
yeah, to be more specific, so there are three main ways you can unlock the value of your Dash on MyConstant, all of which require you to borrow against your Dash first. So the first way will be use your current Dash portfolio to buy more Dash. So when the price rise, so sell a little bit to repay the loan, pocketing the difference, similar to the merchant trading. And the second one is the same. Use your current Dash portfolio to buy Dash or other crypto. Same as in one, borrow cash to buy Dash or another crypto, then repay when the price rise to profit from the loan. And the third one will be use your current Dash portfolio to exchange for an interest yielding crypto. As now, for example, borrow BTC against Dash to earn an automatic 4% APY on my constant. So of course you can always just withdraw a cash loan to your bank too. This helps to pay for life emergency such as car repairs or more luxuries like vacations. Yeah, that's the three
Wow.
main
Well,
way.
I hope everyone has had a paper and pen. That was a lot of very useful
Yeah,
information and different
noted
ways
down.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's awesome. All right. Well, I guess how what one last question here. Now, can you give us an example of how Dash holders might use my constant? Say, like an example. Walk us through somebody who just is going through this the first time, and they have $1,000.
Yeah, sure. I'll give you an examples like of how you can leverage on of our benefits at the same time in one go. First, borrow an amount examples like 1,000 against your Dash for term 90 days and receive your loan in BTC. So you have 1,000 worth of BTC. Immediately, you start earning 4% APY on your BTC on our platform. So
Hmm.
now let's say the market rise and suddenly your PTC is worth 50% more than you borrow. In other words, you have 1,500 worth of BTC now, not 1,000 anymore. So that's 1,500 worth of BTC continue earning 4% APY, growing bigger and bigger. Yeah, so once you have got a nice profit of 500 on your borrow PTC and repay your loan, which is 1,000. So you get your Dash in return to your wallet, and you can use that 500 profits to buy more Dash.
Mhm.
But I would like to notify you, of course, there is a risk involved the cryptocurrency, so the value can go in different directions. So make sure you
Right.
study the risk and can bear the rewards involved to make an informed decision for this one.
Exactly. And on your website, there's a lot of information. It sounds like a wealth of different strategies and so on, where
Yeah.
users can go and, that information can help go towards their,
Yeah.
their informed decision.
Yeah.
All right. No, that's awesome. All right, very cool. So then okay, and I think we're getting towards the end, but we're going to switch gears just a little bit, and we want to talk about the future. So with all these different, you have like DeFi, NFTs, and you have the crypto industry overall has been expanding and evolving. So we're definitely closer to, I guess, the original vision, from 2009. So as we evolve as an industry, how do you see MyConstant and your role within the decentralized finance revolution? And maybe, I guess, in other words, can you share with us your roadmap?
Yeah. Oh,
What's next?
yeah. So thank you for asking. So we are seriously want MyConstant to be an investment hub, a place where you can get a bank betting interest rates on your money and an affordable loan with no ready check, no paperwork. So for too long, the world largest bank have profited while our consumer have paid the price of inefficiency through falling interest rate and high fee. Now, like with cryptocurrency like Dash and blockchain technologies, we have unlocked new way to roll money and access. And this is an exciting time for our user to get involved this time. So I would love to talk more to you and Dash community about our plan for the future in our AMA next week. So I did leave the form, so please leave us your questions in the form below. So, and I can't wait to receive your past questions, and we are eager to send you guys like a small price, $20 for top 5 meaningful questions. So until then, please stay still with us.
Best $20 you could make. All right, so just to recap, there will be an AMA live next week, and you should see the announcement somewhere on both of our social media channels. And hey, get your questions in. We'll pick the top 5 questions, and then the winners will get $20. So look out for that announcement as it comes out. There will be a form. Send in your questions. So I guess that basically wraps it up. But before we do, leave for the evening, any final thoughts?
Okay, so thank you so much. That's for your team is really amazing. And all users or audience here, please remember to subscribe, like, share Dash channel to help Dash in growing their channel, YouTube. And don't forget to sign up for MyConstant. We welcome Dash lovers and are confident our ability to provide you the latest, the smartest, and the most convenient financial service to Dash users. And beside ours, like purchasing you, and we also give you multiple strategy how to leverage our platform. So while you can invest, earn more money, but you don't have to think much about it. We will give you all the strategy.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much, Laudi. This has been fascinating. I appreciate your time, and thank you for everyone who's been watching. And please don't forget to submit your questions. We're looking forward to seeing you again next week. And I guess in the meantime, have a wonderful evening or day. All right, take care, everyone.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Laudi.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Omar. Bye-bye.